Hello students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 4 fraction exercise 3rd and question number 2nd. What is the question? Reduce the following fraction to their lowest term by the HCF method and express it as a mixed number. What is the meaning? Whatever term you have to given here, you have to reduce that lowest term by HCF method. HCF method से आप उसे लोएस्ट टर्म में रिड्यूस करोगे. रिड्यूस करने के बाद आप उसे मिक्स नंबर में कन्वर्ट कर दोगे. ठीक है. सो हाउ टू डू दिस? जस्ट सी हियर ऑन द बोर्ड. द first question is 75 upon 20. First of all, you have to find the HCF. How to find HCF? By common method. You have to take a single number or a common factor of both these numbers. Due to that, you have to divide these two numbers. If I am taking here 2, just check is 75 is divided by 2 exactly or not. क्या 75 2 से एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड होता है या नहीं? जस्ट सी. This is not exactly divided. Here is remainder 1. This means 2 is not a factor of 75. So no need to take here 2. 2 is factor of 20 but not the factor of 75. After 2, if you are taking here 3. 3 is the factor of 75 but not the factor of 20. Okay. After 3, if you are taking here 4. 4 is factor of 20 but not the factor of 75. I hope you all understand how I get कि 2 is factor of 20 but not 75. This you have to find by dividing the number. मुझे कैसे पता लग रहा है कि 20 जो है 2 से exactly divide हो जा रहा है, इसलिए 220 का फैक्टर है. लेकिन 75 2 से एग्जैक्टली डिवाइडेड नहीं हो रहा है, इसलिए 75 को जब हमने डिवाइड किया 2 से, वी गेट हियर रिमाइंडर 1. दैट मीन्स 2 इज नॉट अ फैक्टर ऑफ 2. 2 इज नॉट अ फैक्टर ऑफ 75. When we divide 20 by 2, this is exactly divided, means no remainder here, remainder is here. So 2 is the factor of 20 but not the factor of 75. In same way, 3, if I am taking here 3 is factor of 75 but not the factor of 20. So no need to take here 3. After 3, if I am taking here 4 is factor of 20 but not the factor of 75. I hope you all understand how I get that, because when we divide 20 by 4 exactly divided, but when we divide 75 by 4 not divided exactly. Okay. After 4, I am taking here 5. When we divide this by 5, yes, exactly divided, getting here 15. Just check. 5 ones are 5. On subtracting, getting here 2. 5 5s are 25. Exactly divided. No remainder is here. And quotient is 15. You write quotient here. And 5 4s are 20. Exactly divided. Now, if you further want to divide both the number by a common factor, so there is no any common factor of 15 and 4. Due to that, you have to divide these two. आपके पास इसके आगे कोई भी ऐसा कॉमन नंबर नहीं है, कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है 15 और 4 का, जिससे आप इन दोनों को डिवाइड कर सको. सो नाउ योर HCF is that number which you got on this side. Only one number is here, so that is 5. Now you have to divide the given term by HCF in numerator also and in denominator also. On dividing, you get the same, whatever you get here at last. When you divide 75 by 5, you get here 15. When you divide 20 by 5, you get here 4. So, when you reduce the 75 upon 20, you get here 15 upon 4. After that, you have to convert this into mixed number. How to convert into mixed number? You have to divide numerator by denominator. What is the numerator? 15 and denominator is 4. 4 3s are 12. Getting here remainder 3. When you write a term into mixed number, how to write? In numerator, you have to write here remainder. And in denominator, you have to write here divisor. And in between the both, you have to write here quotient. Now, what is the quotient? That is 3, remainder is 3 and divisor is 4. So, this is your answer at last. Okay, I hope you all understand. 3 is quotient, 3 is remainder and 4 is divisor. So, this is the answer of A part of question number 2. I hope you all understand. Now, question number B. The term you have to given here 108 upon 84. First of all, find HCF. For finding HCF, you have to take a common factor. 2 is the common factor of both. When you divide 108 by 2, just check, is it exactly divided? Yes. 2 5s are 10. Taking it down, 2 4s are 8. Exactly divided, getting quotient 54. Right here, 54. When you divide 84 by 2, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Getting here 42. Again, 2 is the common factor for both. 54, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. So, right here 27. When you divide 42, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Right here 21. Now, can further we divide this one more time or not? If I am taking here number 2, so no. Okay. In the table of 2, there is no 27 and in table of 2, there is no any 21. Instead of 2, I am taking here 3. 3 9s are 27 and 3 7s are 21. Now further we can't divide these two number more time. Okay. So what is your HCF? These 3 number. Multiply these 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now you have to divide the given term in numerator and denominator by HCF. When you divide 108 by 12, you get the same answer whatever left here. 9. For 108, at last left term is 9. And for 84, at last the term is 7. So, in denominator 7. Now, you have to convert this into mixed fraction. For mixed fraction, I am telling you already in question number A, in denominator, you have to write divisor also. In numerator, remainder also always. And in this side here is quotient always. Okay. So divide first of all numerator by denominator. 7 1s are 7. Getting here remainder 2. This is your remainder. This is your quotient and this is divisor. Now in denominator divisor. In numerator remainder, and in this side here is quotient. You have to write quotient in between this line. Okay, so this is the answer. I hope you all understand question number 2 of exercise 3. Now you have to do next part yourself. Try to do that. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.